again with me, Viveka. How is your day? Hopefully, everyone stay healthy and stay strong. The most important thing, you have to stay at home, okay? By the way, tomorrow is Lebaran! Yay! Lebaran, 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 Lebaran. But I'm so sad because I cannot visit my grandma and grandfather's house. But it's okay. This is best for us. After the pandemic over, we will meet again. I want to make up myself. The theme is simply peachy, cute look. Why I choose that theme? Because I love Korean look. So in this video, today I will play makeup. Just for fun because I am learning last night with my mom. Do not wasting time. Let's start the makeup. This is my bare face. This is my bare face. Okay, the first one, I have a facial spray. This is from Evian. For our makeup, stick in our face long last every day. Okay, let's put on the facial spray. Okay, we wait until it's dry, okay? Okay, the next step, I have the primer. The primer is from YSL. Wow, there's a glitter on it, look! I'm so excited to put on my face. So, anyway, let's put on in our face. The third step is the foundation. This is from Fenty Beauty. This foundation is hydrating and it's soft too. And I think it's safe for kids. Okay, now let's put it in our face. Just a little, okay? And we use the beauty blender too. Okay, the next one is the concealer. This is from Chanel. I use this for covering the area black spot, like under the eyes here. And I use this for this to give the skin get lighter like on the... Okay, now let's start to put it in our face. First, I make this like a triangle. Next is the bronzer. And this is from Wet and Wild. I use this for shading our face. And I think it's not too darker for kids. And I have the brush. This is my favorite brush. Is this cute? Is this cute? Okay, now let's put it in our face. Put it in here. Okay. 3 times. Okay, the next one is the palette. This is from Naked. Okay, let's look at the inside. Wow! Look at this! So cool. And I use this one because it's Peachy. Because the title is the Peachy Cute Look. And I use this brown too and this white. Okay, it's done. Now I brown. I use the brown. See that? I use the next because before I used this one. Okay. Put it in here, which is like okay, now we use the white one. I skipped the eyeliner because honestly I cannot decide. Okay, now back to the mascara. This mascara is from ColourPop. Here. Okay, now let's put it in our eyes. After this is the loose powder. This is from Shiseido Filter Solution LX. Okay, now I use it to my face. Wow. Okay, next one is the eyebrow. This is from Benefit. So it goes Benefit True. This is really careful. Here. Okay, now let's use it. Where's it? Here. The next one is the blush on from Fenty Beauty. Okay, let's put it on our face. Oh my god, there's two colors here. I think I will pick two of them. More closer! Okay, the next one is the highlight. It's from Bobbi Brown. Wow! So cool! Okay, let's put it. Last but not least, this is the last one. It's lipstick. This is from myself. Number 11. Okay, let's put it. This is it! Makeup by me! Simply Peachy cute look! Hopefully you like it, guys! See you in the next video!